Hello, and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete offline maps on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, and after that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to offline maps. And as you can see here, you will find all the maps that you already downloaded on your phone. And if you want to delete one map, you have just to go and click on the three dots near to it. And as you can see, there is three options. And the options that we want to delete this map is to click on delete. And after that, you have to confirm like and click on delete again. And like that, this map is already deleted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video, if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section, and see you in the next video.